Welcome to another technical graphics lesson in rotations. So here you can see we have an object and the lid is flipped up. There's a hexagonal design, there's a little bit of a curve, and essentially what we want to do is draw the plan, the elevation, and then we want to find the rotated view in the end view position. Given the measurements and so forth, we will begin by drawing the plan view. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm drawing the outline in the plan view, that light yellow line, and I am heavying in what I can. I'm going to find the center there for the circle. So the circle kind of comes in here, but the center point there is 40 millimeters in and from the edge here, okay? Or sorry, 55 because it's 110. Now you see that hexagon there in the middle, we use the same center point. The hexagon radius there is 40. So you draw the circle 30 degrees straight down, 30 degrees straight up, heavy that in, leave a 10 mil gap here. You'll see that green construction line, and then go 30 degrees straight up, 30 degrees. Okay, so you can see the construction there. Just bear that in mind. Now, I've drawn the base and the elevation then, and I've drawn the rotated line at 45 degrees as given in the question. And what I want to do is I want to take my points up from plan to the solid line on the surface of the CD case. You'll see where the lines are stopping at the moment. Okay. Now I'm going to rotate from the point where the heavy dash line is drawn from. So that 45 degree angle, where that's lifting off the top of the CD case, that's where I'm going to rotate my points from in a moment. I'm dividing up the circle here as well, just using the 60-30 method. Okay. And you can see I'm taking those points, all the points in plan view, across to the edge line of the plan, okay, in preparation for moving it up at 45 degrees to the XY line. Now make sure your XY line is nice and heavy, okay, because sometimes what people do is they take the line that we're in the elevation that we're projecting the lines up to. We need to bring these lines at 45 degrees to the XY line first, okay, and you'll see I'm doing that at the moment. And then, of course, after that, we can actually bring them up to where we need to bring them up to. Okay? So, you see here now, the arcs are now coming in. And they're been swung from where the 45 degree line is drawn from. We can call that our point O. So, the base of that heavy dash line, and each of those arcs are swung from the same point. Where they hit the dashed 45 degree line, we then bring the points across. Again, I recommend you label here. Okay, I don't have the labels included in this example, but if you label your points, when you start to bring the points up from the XY line here now, okay, we will be able to locate them much easier, much quicker. But you can see there I have the curved lines, construction lines and projection lines in blue, and I have all the other lines and details with yellow. Okay, so I project them up. And you'll see now I'll be able to form the shapes in their rotated position. So what we'll have here now in the end view, this first part will be the green section. Okay, that's facing us like that. And then we'll have the pink section here once we've completed in the lines for that. And of course the last thing after that then will be to draw the curve. And of course we have the curve points, and then we can highlight the whole lot.